Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we'll see student in chapter e-commerce and e-governance. What is security? We'll solve this question. What is security? And enlist measures in electronic commerce. Enlist security measures in electronic commerce. Now first see what is the meaning of security. It is an essential part of any transaction that take place over the internet. If there is no security, what happen? Customers will lose their faith in electronic commerce industry. They will not buy or not do any transaction in electronic commerce transaction if there is no security provided. At first it was concerning customers, but now in modern technology security is provided. But there are many threats in security. Let's see which are the threats in electronic commerce environment transaction. There are many threats to electronic commerce transaction over the internet. One main threat today I am going to discuss is malicious software, that is malware. Malicious software, that is malware. Now see what is malware. It is intrusive, destructive software that is designed to damage and destroy computers and computer systems. It is intrusive software, destructive software that is designed to damage and destroy computers and computer system. Means all the system is can be destroyed by malware. Now see another definition. Malware is a contraction for malicious software. It is an umbrella term for many software. Malicious means it is intention is to harm others. Some examples of malware: viruses, worms and Trojan virus. Virus, Trojan virus and worms. Now see first what is the meaning of virus. It is a small program, computer program, written to alter the way computer operate without the permission of user. It change the way of operation of the computer. What is worm? Worm is a standalone malware computer program that replicates, duplicates, make multiple itself in order to spread to other. It often uses a computer network to spread itself. It is more dangerous than virus. And Trojan horse is most dangerous than virus and worms. Now see what is this. In computing, a Trojan horse or Trojan is an malware which misleads user of its true intent. Means user understand that it is a good software, good application. Whenever you are surfing on internet, there are many messages. When you click on this, for example, if you some antivirus software, your PC is in risk. When you click there, it is enter in your computer system. Let's see some history of Trojan horse. It is derived from Trojan horse is derived from ancient Greek story of the deceptive Trojan horse that led to the fall of the city of Troy. Because of that Trojan horse, in that horse, many militants are there, and they destroy the city Troy. Now see, it is type of malicious software code file that looks fine, but when you download it, it can take control of your computer. Viruses are simply destructive in nature, but the Trojan horse programs are the most serious threat because they not only facilitate breaking into another system, they also permit data integrity attacks. Now these are some security. Now see what are the measures, solution, remedials for these security concern or threats. First, antivirus. First is antivirus. These are four. You can write answer measures antivirus, encryption, digital signature, and security certificates. These are some remedials for security threats in electronic system or electronic transaction. I am repeating again: antivirus, encryption, digital signature, and security certificates. What is antivirus? Antivirus software is a type of software program used for scanning and removing viruses from your computer. What it does? This software is type of software programs. It is written like a virus. It is also code. What is its how it function? It scan and remove viruses from your computer. Now, and what is the encryption? The process of converting information or data into a code so that it can be prevented from unauthorized access. If I want to send message to anyone, if it is not encrypted, if it can be hacked by any hacker, then they can read my all the secret confidential information. For this purpose, encryption is there to encode the data so that no one can read that data. This is encryption. What is digital signature? It ensures the authenticity of the information. A digital signature is an e-signature, like your signature. If you have some form, you can go for Talati office or any government office. The officials, they do signature. That is manual signature. But to make work easy, to avoid queues, the India government has digital signature for us. And last one, security certificates. Security certificate is a unique digital ID used to verify the identity of an individual, website, or users. Like SSLs, you can give HTTPS. These are some security certificate, or it is also called as digital certificates. Okay, in this way today we have seen what is security and what are the security threats to electronic commerce environment, and what are the solutions. The solutions are antivirus, which are coding used to destroy virus, encryption to make your confidential data encrypted, coded, digital signature It is used to certify your electronic documents and security certificates. Okay, thank you, student.